guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you having a great, wonderful day. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back with the Cash Cow 100 postcard. Just want to show you guys I got my postcards already ready to roll out. I've just got to go pick up some stamps. I'm on my way to the post office to do that, but I have all my labels on there. As you can see, you see those cards? All those are going out for the Cash Cow. I have been getting calls like crazy just about every day on this program. People are super excited about it. The 2 levels, because you have a team now. You're not working by yourself, okay? The Cash Cow is only $300 to get started, okay? It's a 2-level pay plan, okay? So everybody that you bring in, okay, understand that everybody that you bring in, you're going to be on their card, guys. You're going to be in box 2. So every time they mail their postcards, they're mailing for you as well, okay? So think about that. Every time they mail their card, they're mailing for you, okay? So this is very powerful, okay? These $100 payments are going to be coming in, okay? It's going to be $300 to get in. You're going to send 3 money orders in. It tells you that on the card. Hang on a second. Okay, right here. Send in 3 money orders. 100 to me, 100 to my sponsor, 100 to the company. Okay? It's going to include 100 postcards. See that? You're going to get 100 cards with this when you join. And when you join me, I'm going to throw in 200 leads to get you started, to help you get going in the business. And I'll give you my resources where I get these postcards printed up for a great price. Okay? All right, guys, just want to show you I am working this project. Of course, I am still working my flyer program as well. Okay? So, I'm going to put the links below for my direct mail programs. Check them out. But this one is going to be very powerful. Okay? Unlimited $100 commissions on 2 tiers. Okay? So, get started with me in the program. I look forward to working with you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. Check out the Cash Cow. You don't want to miss it. See you on the next video. Be safe out there.